Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to create a lip signing using custom character using ChatGPT, using the home video generation to generate an audio with the image selected to create a nice lip signing like this. Did you like this? Okay, first thing first, open ComfyUI, run it. Okay, go to templates. So I wanna use this model. Okay, where is this model? This one. HUMO video generation. Okay, first thing first, you have to download this models. How to download this models? You have to go here to download button, and the downloading is starting. Do for all those files, or you can copy the URL and go right here. After that, start download. For me, let's download those files. Let's put one by one. Okay, close this. Okay, let's put the one by one those files. Okay, close this. The first one, Loris. Let's go here first, put ComfyUI, model is Loris. Search for this one, light TV. This one is for Loris. Paste it right here. Okay, second one, fusion model for 17 video. 17 video. Copy this one right here. The final one, audio encoder. Do it here, audio encoder. Paste it this one right here. Okay, I think it's fine. Reload the page. Okay, this is those files that I added. This modulus I did. Now you have to load an image and audio. Okay, it's like to sign in the lip sync. We have to add image reference and the audio, and the image is right here, lip sync signing with the character, with the audio. Okay, first thing first, we have to add the prompt of the character what we want to tell it on the negative prompt. Okay, let's go here to ChatGPT. I already added a prompt from here. Okay, search it here in ChatGPT. Image reference. Okay, boy, talking for home video generation. Yeah, generate this image from here. Okay, let's download this image. I downloaded or living. Now let's go here to file, upload this image right here. Now we have to choose any audio. I don't have audio as. Okay, let's go with Camtasia to use any audio from this. Okay. After that, for low VRAM, like me, I have 12 gigabytes of VRAM. It's low. We have to adjust this one with anti to get the best quality as possible. Okay, for me, I want to choose this quality. This value for the width and this value for the height. Okay, for the length, I want just this one. 1000 frames per second. Okay, steps make it 3. Yes, it's good. No, before we go run Torah, you have to go here, to image reference, and choose one of those characters. Okay, if you want, I want to choose this one, teenager probably funny. It's the right one here, and Okay, we have to change this variable for this variable for the height to make the same thing. And for the length, make it like that. Let's go. Step 6. Okay, now let's run it. Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use this model 1.2.1 alpha text to video model. Okay, it takes around 10 minutes to create to create this video, 24 seconds using this model with the lip signing. Choose a character from ChatGPT and lip sync with this.